Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious and healthy plantain porridge with vegetables. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching. So here are the ingredients we need. Here we have unripe plantains, dried catfish and stockfish, fresh pepper, onion and seasoning cube, ground crayfish, palm oil, ugu leaves also known as fluted pumpkin shredded, and salt. So the first thing you're going to do is to wash the fish thoroughly and put it in a clean pot. Add salt, then you add water enough to cook the fish. Cover and cook for 20 minutes. So while that is cooking, wash and peel your plantains. So here is a peeled plantain. Cut into small cubes to enable it to cook very well. The cut plantain is ready. So back to the fish. Add the cut plantain. Then you add enough water to cover the plantain. Add your ground crayfish, blended onion and fresh pepper. You give it a stir. Cover and leave to cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, add seasoning cube, salt, palm oil, cover and leave for 7 minutes. So after 7 minutes, you give it a good stir to make a slurry like you're making your porridge yam. Add your shredded vegetables and give it a good mix. Cover and leave to cook for 2 minutes and is ready. Our delicious plantain porridge with vegetables is ready. Guys, this was so delicious and I know you're going to love it. Make sure you try out this recipe. If you are pregnant, this is a go-to recipe. If you're a diabetic patient, this recipe is perfect. And please encourage your children to enjoy this healthy and delicious recipe. Guys, like I said, you're going to love it. Make sure you try it out and don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye bye.